here. No, I'm just kidding.
It's spring. It's not break. It's called leaving.
Leaving! Let's get some kumquats. Yummy.
Shampoo.
Fart train, come here! Come eat some kumquats!
By the way, it's me, Lexus Bosswell. Come to my channel.
And check out her Lexus
I
Bosswell
also made a kumquat video.
and
so.
subscribe. And she also sponsors me too, so we're like best buddies now. So let's eat some kumquats.
And go for the kumquat warriors.
Kumquat warriors! Oh, fart train! Come here, fart train!
Shame!
Fart train! Come here, fart train. We're gonna give you some kumquats. Get a kumquat.
Shame.
Get a kumquat.
Sadie, you're being such
Get
a
a
fart train.
kumquat for fart train.
She already said fart train. So.
No, come on, get her.
Shame, fart train. Come on, fart train. Stop being a fart
Oh
train.
my gosh, we gotta get her a kumquat. She's hungry. She wants more kumquats.
Give her a kumquat.
We gotta find one first.
I like kumquats.
So do I. They're so tasty. Tasty.
Come
Come on, we gotta get her a kumquat before she starves. Oh no, I found one. Fart train, here's a kumquat.
What?
Yum yum, fart train. Eat up. Bye bye, fart train. Bye bye.